Okay, picking up from where we left off with the last video, what we did, we went with the Xbox character, we set the rig to humanoid, we went to the second character and set that to humanoid, and everything was working fine. However, all the animations that were brought in, configured specifically for the Xbox character, well, they don't work anymore. And the reason is we need to go ahead and set them to use the Xbox as the avatar. Okay, let's see if I can give you a better step through of what I'm actually trying to say. So number one, all of these other animations, they're all set to generic. So we already talked through that in the previous video. We need to set those to humanoid. But what we also want to do is to create the avatar definition from the Xbox avatar itself. So let's see if I can demonstrate that now. So I've got the top animation there. We'll do a shift select all the way through to the bottom. Then we want to make sure that all of them have been configured to humanoid. Now I'm not going to hit apply just yet because it's going to take a bit of time to actually complete it. What I want to do also is say copy from other avatar. So the avatar that we're looking for should be in this definition. We don't want the JSON avatar. We want the Xbox avatar. So it's right at the bottom of the list. Right. And now that we've got the Xbox avatar selected, at this stage we'll go ahead and hit the apply. Now this might take about a minute or two to actually run through and make the change to all the other animations. So we'll give it a second to do whatever it needs to do and pick things up once the process completes. Okay, welcome back. The process has just completed, and so now when we select any one of them, we should see that they have humanoid and the Xbox avatar being selected. So if I was to come in here now, that's going to be an idle pose. Let's see if we can find some things that got something a bit more meat on there. So this is the feeding pose. Now notice it's defaulted to the other model, the JSON model, for which it wasn't originally prepared. Notice Xbot at zombie biting. So let's try another one of the zombie biting motions. So here the actual character starts in a standing position, goes down, feeds, and then stands back up. And that wiring is automatic because we've already done the retargeting to the humanoid configuration for the avatar type. And that means that any character that I bring through now that has the same rig, it'll be able to go ahead and do this, the actual animation mappings without additional work. So yeah, that's going to be it for animation retargeting, taking source models from potentially you're creating them or bringing them through Fuse, going through to Mixamo, and then bringing them into Unity. But in any case, if you have any of those similar issues, please just go ahead, have a look on the video and walk through the steps. Ideally, you shouldn't have to do that, but if you do find yourself running into any of these kind of issues, this is the step, this is the procedure that you use to overcome them. Again, my name is David Blissett. If you like the video, feel free to give us a like, leave a comment, keep supporting the channel. Thanks again. Take care now.